Next preposition is between. Between means in or into the space separating two or more points, objects, people, etc. Example, I will stand between Seema and Rita. We have seen the position of Seema and Rita, that showing in between. In the period of time separating the 2 points of time, days, months or events. Example, we can say the incident took place between 10 a.m. and 12 noon. Next, from one place to another place. Example, he keeps shuttling between the two cities. Next preposition is among. Among means surrounded by somebody, something, or in the middle of somebody or something. Example, aunt and her two sons were among the people who went to see the show. Next point is that somebody, something is included or happening in groups of people. This is a common trait seen among the senior citizens. Instead of between when there sorry instead of between when three or more things or people are involved while dividing or choosing something. Example, distribute the properties equally among all the family members. Next, preposition of time. Preposition of time show the time relationship between nouns. First is at. At is used for precise time. Example, at 9 o'clock, at 2:30 p.m., at the moment, at the same time, at present time, at sunrise, at sunset, at noon, at night. In is used for months, years, decades, and for a long time. Example, in March, in 2000, in the 80s, in the century. Preposition of moment. We have 9 prepositions of moment. Preposition of movement. We have 9 preposition of movement. 2 is used when we have a specific destination in our mind. The destination can be defined for the following things: a place, I am going to the post office; an event, are you going to the party; a person, I am coming to your house to see your new car; a position, example, the kitchen is to your left. Towards is basically used to show the direction rather than a destination. Towards preposition. Example, John was running towards me. Next preposition is through, is basically used to show the movement across something. The knife cut through the butter. Next preposition into. Into shows the movement from outside to inside. Example, I went into the room. Next preposition is across, is used to show the movement from one end to another end. For example, Ashok walked across the road. Next preposition is over. Over is used to show the position of something when it is above something else. For example, it was pretty place with vines growing thickly over the broad front porch. Next preposition is along. Along is used to show the movement across the line. Example, we were walking along the fence. Next preposition in is used to show the position of something in relation to a place surrounding it. Example, I am going to meet my friend in the park. Next preposition is on. On is used to show the position of something in relation to a surface. Example, there was a box of pens on the table. Use of prepositions of. It is used to show the relation. Mr. Vinod Kapoor is the principal of my school. Rahul is the monitor of my class. It is used to show quality or reason. Example, he died of jaundice. It is showing reason. He is a man of his words. It is showing quality. Next preposition is from. It is used to tell about any place. First point with indefinite tense. Example, he comes from Punjab. With point of time, he plays from morning till evening. To show the source, light comes from the sun. Next preposition is since. It is used in perfect tense with certain time. Example, I have known him since 1970. Next preposition is for. Is used with perfect tense. Example, she has been living here for 3 years. Next, to exchange one thing with another thing. Example, she bought a shirt for 500 rupees. Next, any goal. Example, he did it for your own good. Next preposition is by. Denotes the latest time in which something was or is to be done. Example, the work should be finished by next Monday. Next point with watch. Example, it is 10 a.m. by my watch. For something which shows a certain fact. Example, Ram caught me by the neck. Similarly, by train, by car, by bus, by land, by caste, etc. Next preposition is with, to mention along with. Example, he went to Gujarat with his brother. Next point, to tell about the manner. Example, Anil hit the boy with a stick. Next preposition is after, in the past indefinite tense. Example, he came after 10 a.m. Next point, to show the order. Example, we ran after the thief. Next preposition is behind. Example, a man stood behind the curtain. Ritesh hid behind a tree. Shut the door behind you. Next point, during preposition. To indicate that an occurrence continues or a situation persists throughout the specified period. Example, during the war, the food was rationed. We live in the hills during the summer. Did you go anywhere during the winter vacation? Bears hibernate during the winter. I met him during my stay in Darjeeling. Next point, to indicate that an event took place with a specified period of time. Example, I will call during the week. Suhana kept silent during the meal. It rained during the night. They talked during the movie. Astha slept during the concert. Some prepositions, students, looks as verb or adjectives but used as preposition. Example, bearing, concerning, considering, despite, except, accepting, following, including, like, near, pending, unlike, worth, etc. Example, you see, he asked several questions concerning the future of the company. Next example, all cases concerning children are dealt with in a special children's court. Next preposition, participle preposition is bearing. Bearing means except for. Unless there is or are can be used. Bearing accidents, we should arrive on time. Next, regarding, he has said nothing regarding your request. And some complex prepositions. Complex prepositions, as for, as to, apart from, away from, along with, by means of, because of, due to, on account of, owing to, out of, up to, in view of, such as, together with, in spite of, instead of, on to, in comparison with, in accordance with. These are the complex prepositions. Example I am giving some, and rest you will study yourself. I will take care of the dishes. As for the garbage, can you please take it out? As for Joe, she is doing fine. Some more examples. As for food, for the party, that's all being taken care of. Next preposition, as from or as of. Both are used in the same sense, used to show the time of date from which something starts. Our facts number is changing as from May, as to something, as to tax that will be deducted from your salary. These are the examples of prepositions, and prepositions are unlimited. So according to your standard 9th, the main prepositions which are used in the standard 9th have been expressed here, and you have studied it well. Thank you so much. Thank you.